All right, so let's have a quick unboxing video of the new FARO Blink entry-level kind of scanning system over here. In the case, what you'll get is obviously the scanner itself, which should come with a battery already attached in here. So we have a battery inserted in the actual scanner, plus we have two extra batteries here. So there's one here, one here. There's a cleaning liquid just like we had before on all of the scanners. You have your charging cradle, obviously, again, standard, same one as what you get with the focus scanners. Also the same kind of charger adapter with your international cable. In my case, this is the US version of the actual device here. Let's see, there's a little bit of a safety manual plus your calibration certification here, right? Then in the cavity, what else is in here? We have your quick start how-to guide, which is useful, and then your cleaning tissues. The one thing that I'm missing here, because I've been actually using it, is there is also a USB-C to a 512 gig drive. So that's it. Just for the sake of continuity, there is a serial number in the actual values on the bottom of the scanner, the way to connect to the scanner, and the QR code for Wi-Fi. So that's it. Pretty quick, pretty small package. Nothing else with it except for maybe a tripod and the quick release adapter, which looks like this. This is what it is. You have your lock, unlock, mounts to a standard 3/8 by 20 thread on a regular camera tripod, and then there's adapters for survey tripods if necessary.